When should you use the 2-second rule? A. Before restarting the engine after it has stalled. B. To keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front. C. Before using the mirror signal maneuver routine. D. When emerging on wet roads. The correct answer is B. To keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front. You wish to turn right. Why should you take up the correct position in good time? A. To allow other drivers to pull out in front of you. B. To give a better view into the road that you're joining. C. To help other road users know what you intend to do. D. To allow drivers to pass you on the right. The correct answer is C. To help other road users know what you intend to do. Why is overtaking a lorry more risky than overtaking a car? A. Lorries are longer than cars. B. Lorries may suddenly pull up. C. Lorry brakes aren't as good as car brakes. D. Lorries are with speed limiters. The correct answer is A. Lorries are longer than cars. When may you overtake another vehicle by passing on its left-hand side? A. On a free-flowing dual carriageway or motorway. B. On a dual carriageway or motorway when the traffic is moving slowly in queues. C. On a two-way road when traffic is moving slowly. D. On a two-way road when the car in front is signaling to turn left. The correct answer is B. On a dual carriageway or motorway when the traffic is moving slowly in queues. You're joining a motorway. Why is it important to make full use of the slip road? A. To give yourself space to turn around if you need to. B. To allow you direct access to the overtaking lanes. C. To build up a speed similar to traffic already on the motorway. D. To give you immediate access to the hard shoulder. The correct answer is C. To build up a speed similar to traffic already on the motorway. What should you do when you use the emergency telephone on a motorway? A. Stay close to the carriageway. B. Face the oncoming traffic. C. Keep your back to the traffic. D. Stand on the hard shoulder. The correct answer is B. Face the oncoming traffic. You're signaling to turn right in busy traffic. How could you emphasize your intention? A. By sounding the horn. B. By giving an arm signal. C. By flashing your headlights. D. By positioning over the center line. The correct answer is B. By giving an arm signal. You're driving at the legal speed limit. What should you do if a vehicle comes up quickly behind, flashing its headlights? A. Accelerate to open a gap behind you. B. Touch the brakes sharply to show your brake lights. C. Maintain your speed to prevent the vehicle from overtaking. D. Allow the vehicle to overtake. The correct answer is D. Allow the vehicle to overtake. You leave a motorway, following a long period of fast driving. How is your judgment of speed likely to be affected? A. You're likely to drive faster than you realize. B. Your judgment of speed is likely to be unaltered. C. You're likely to drive more slowly than you realize. D. Your judgment of speed is likely to be improved. The correct answer is A. You're likely to drive faster than you realize. You intend to turn left at traffic lights. What should you do just before turning? A. Check your right-hand mirror. B. Move closer to the vehicle in front. C. Straddle the lanes. D. Check for cyclists on your left. The correct answer is D. Check for cyclists on your left. You're driving on a two-lane motorway. What should you do if a lorry is taking a long time to overtake you? A. Slow down and let the lorry pass. B. Maintain a steady speed and let the lorry driver decide what to do. C. Increase speed slowly so the lorry can move into the left-hand lane behind you. D. Slow down and flash your headlights. The correct answer is A. Slow down and let the lorry pass. Where should you position your vehicle when you're driving in lanes of traffic? A. Well to the left of the lane. B. In the center of the lane. C. Slightly to the right of the lane. D. Wherever you feel comfortable. The correct answer is B. In the center of the lane. You're following another vehicle in good weather conditions at 70 miles per hour. What's the minimum separation distance you should allow? A. 2 seconds. B. 3 seconds. C. 4 seconds. D. 10 seconds. The correct answer is A. 2 seconds. You want to reverse into a side road. What should you do if you're not sure whether the area behind your car is clear? A. Look through the rear window only. B. Get out and check. C. Check the mirrors only. D. Carry on, assuming it's clear. The correct answer is B. Get out and check. You're driving in town. Why should you be careful if there's a bus at a bus stop on the other side of the road? A. The bus may have broken down. B. Pedestrians may step out from behind the bus. C. The bus may move off suddenly. D. The bus may remain stationary. The correct answer is B. Pedestrians may step out from behind the bus. Which light should you use if you have to park on the road in fog? A. Parking lights. B. Dipped headlights and fog lights. C. Dipped headlights. D. Main beam headlights. The correct answer is A. Parking lights. It's a foggy day. What should you do if you have to park your car on the road? A. Leave the car's headlights on. B. Leave the car's fog lights on. C. Leave the car's parking lights on. D. Leave the car's hazard warning lights on. The correct answer is C. Leave the car's parking lights on. What should you do if you start to feel tired while you're driving? A. Increase your speed slightly. B. Reduce your speed slightly. C. Find a less busy route. D. Stop at a safe place to rest. The correct answer is D. Stop at a safe place to rest. You're following a lorry on a wet road. What should you do if spray makes it difficult to see? A. Drop back until visibility improves. B. Switch your headlights to full beam. C. Overtake quickly, keeping very close. D. Position just over the center line of the road. The correct answer is A. Drop back until visibility improves. What should you do if you have to treat someone for shock at the scene of a collision? A. Reassure them conf. B. Walk them around to calm them down. C. Give them something cold to drink. D. Cool them down as soon as possible. The correct answer is A. Reassure them conf. You arrive at the scene of a car crash. A passenger is bleeding heavily from an arm wound. How should the arm be treated if it's clear that there are no objects in the wound? A. Keep the arm low and allow the blood flow to stop naturally. B. Rub the wound in a circular motion. C. Get them to swing their arm briskly up and down. D. Apply firm pressure to the area and raise the arm. The correct answer is D. Apply firm pressure to the area and raise the arm. What should a motorway slip road be used for? A. To increase your speed to match that of the fastest vehicles on the motorway. B. To select which lane you're going to use once you've joined the motorway. C. To adjust your speed to match that of the traffic in the left-hand lane of the motorway. D. To get used to the speed of traffic on the motorway. The correct answer is C. To adjust your speed to match that of the traffic in the left-hand lane of the motorway. What does this sign mean? A. The road goes steeply uphill. B. The road goes steeply downhill. C. The road bends sharply to the left. D. The road is closed further ahead. The correct answer is C. The road bends sharply to the left. Who has priority when traffic lights are out of order? A. Traffic going straight on. B. Traffic turning right. C. Nobody. D. Traffic turning left. The correct answer is C. Nobody. You're driving on a road that has double solid white lines in the middle of the road. When may you cross these lines to overtake? A. To pass a queue of traffic at a junction. B. To pass a car signaling to turn left ahead. C. To pass a road maintenance vehicle traveling at 10 miles per hour or less. D. To pass a vehicle towing a trailer. The correct answer is C. To pass a road maintenance vehicle traveling at 10 miles per hour or less. Which stream of traffic has priority at a roundabout? A. Traffic on the roundabout always has priority. B. Vehicles approaching a roundabout always have priority. C. Signs, road markings, or traffic lights show the priority. D. Priority should be given to cars towing a trailer or caravan. The correct answer is C. Signs, road markings, or traffic lights show the priority. What should you do if the warning light for your anti-lock brake stays on? A. Check the brake fluid level. B. Check the foot brake free play. C. Check that the parking brake is released. D. Have the brakes checked immediately. The correct answer is D. Have the brakes checked immediately. How does coasting affect a driver's control of their vehicle? A. It improves the driver's control. B. It makes steering easier. C. It reduces the driver's control. D. It has no effect on the driver's control. The correct answer is when may you drive or park in a cycle lane marked by a solid white line? A. During the hours of daylight. B. Outside peak times. C. During the hours of darkness. D. Outside its period of operation. The correct answer is D. Outside its period of operation. What will a heavy load on your roof rack cause? A. Improved road holding. B. Reduction in stopping distance. C. Lighter steering. D. Reduction in stability. The correct answer is D. Reduction in stability. Why could keeping the clutch down or selecting neutral for long periods of time be dangerous? A. Fuel spillage will occur. B. Engine damage may be caused. C. You'll have less steering and braking control. D. The tires will wear out more quickly. The correct answer is C. You'll have less steering and braking control. What does it mean if you see a vehicle showing a flashing green light? A. The vehicle is being used by the police on non-urgent duties. B. The vehicle is being used by a doctor on an emergency call. C. The vehicle is being used by a road safety patrol. D. The vehicle is being used to carry a wide load. The correct answer is B. The vehicle is being used by a doctor on an emergency call. You're parking on the left, facing downhill. You apply the parking brake firmly. What further safety precautions should you take? A. Turn your wheels to the left and select reverse gear. B. Turn your wheels to the right and select reverse gear. C. Keep your wheels straight and select fifth gear. D. Keep your wheels straight and select neutral. The correct answer is A. Turn your wheels to the left and select reverse gear. What does it mean when you see this line along the center of the road? A. Oncoming vehicles have priority. B. You may now overtake. C. There's a hazard ahead. D. The national speed limit applies. The correct answer is C. There's a hazard ahead. What speed limit would you expect to find in residential streets? A. 20 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 35 miles per hour. D. 40 miles per hour. The correct answer is A. 20 miles per hour. What is known to cause excessive or uneven tire wear? A. The type of gearbox. B. Having the wheels out of alignment. C. Gentle use of the accelerator. D. A damaged exhaust system. The correct answer is B. Having the wheels out of alignment. What advice should you give to a pupil about moving off on snow or ice? A. Use a low gear and spin the wheels to clear the snow. B. Use the lowest gear you can and accelerate quickly. C. Use the highest gear you can with gentle acceleration. D. Use the highest gear and keep the engine revs high. The correct answer is C. Use the highest gear you can with gentle acceleration. A driver wants to go ahead at a crossroads controlled by a police officer. What recognized armed signal should they give? The correct answer is D. You're driving at night. When can you park on the right-hand side of a road? A. When you park in a one-way street. B. When you park with your offside parking lights switched on. C. When you park less than 10 meters, 32 feet, from a junction. D. When you park under a IM post. The correct answer is A. When you park in a one-way street. You're driving along a road that has a cycle lane marked by a solid white line. What does it mean if the road sign shows that the cycle lane is in operation? A. The lane may be used for parking your car. B. You may drive in that lane at any time. C. The lane may be used when necessary. D. You mustn't drive in that lane. The correct answer is D. You mustn't drive in that lane. When may you use your front fog lights? A. When your headlights aren't working. B. When you want extra light at night. C. When you don't want to sound your horn. D. When visibility is seriously reduced. The correct answer is D. When visibility is seriously reduced. A driver is convicted of drinking and driving twice within 10 years. They wish to have their license returned. Who do they have to satisfy that they don't have an alcohol problem? A. The Disclosure and Barring Service. B. The Highways Agency. C. The Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency. D. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency. The correct answer is D. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency. What's the maximum authorized mass, MAM, of a Category B vehicle? A. 3.0 tons. B. 7.5 tons. C. 5.0 tons. D. 3.5 tons. The correct answer is D. 3.5 tons. Your pupil has just passed their driving test. What's the maximum authorized mass, MAM, of any trailer that they can tow? A. 6,500 kilogram. B. 5,500 kilograms. C. 4,500 kilograms. D. 3,500 kilograms. The correct answer is D. 3,500 kilograms. What should you teach your pupils to do when they're learning to turn their vehicle around in the road? A. Concentrate on looking over their left shoulder. B. Concentrate on looking over their right shoulder. C. Carry out effective all-round observation. D. Check their mirrors continuously. The correct answer is C. Carry out effective all-round observation. When should you give feedback to your pupil? A. Only when they make a serious error. B. When they've had a chance to relax. C. At any suitable opportunity. D. At the start of the next lesson. The correct answer is C. At any suitable opportunity. What can be established through an appropriate use of open questions? A. The pupil's attitude, norms, and motivation when learning to drive. B. The pupil's level of practical and theoretical knowledge. C. The pupil's degree of aptitude and psychomotor skills. D. If the ADI and the pupil have any interests in common. The correct answer is A. The pupil's attitude, norms, and motivation when learning to drive. Just before starting a journey, you're involved in an argument. What should you do if this has made you feel angry? A. Start to drive, but open a window F. B. Drive more slowly than normal and turn your radio on. C. Have a small drink of alcohol before driving. D. Calm down before you start to drive. The correct answer is D. Calm down before you start to drive. The timing of directions to a pupil is very important. What's the recommended method of doing this clearly? A. Director alert, identify. B. Alert, identify, direct. C. Direct, identify, alert. D. Alert, direct, identify. The correct answer is D. Alert, direct, identify. What should you do if you see your pupil commit a driving fault during a lesson? A. Use it as a warning to the pupil. B. Ask them to reflect on their performance. C. Ignore it and continue with the lesson. D. Tell them about it at the end of the lesson. The correct answer is B. Ask them to reflect on their performance.